Adding highlights on Instagram without posting the content to a story is not possible, but we can do it using a workaround. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is tap on the story icon available in the top left corner of your screen to post the photo or videos. Now you can simply tap on the photos icon available in the bottom left corner and browse through your gallery and select one photo, or you can simply click it right away from the camera option available in your Instagram. So here I am browsing through my phone to look for one photo, and once you find it, simply tap on it. So now once done, all you have to do is tap on the your story option available in the bottom left corner of your screen to post it. So now wait for your story to be posted. Now, right after posting, tap on the three dot option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from the options, tap on the archive and archive your story, and it will be removed from your story. So now you don't have any story option available. Now what you have to do is go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner to go settings and privacy. Now scroll down and look for the archive and tap on it. Then make sure the archive is in stories archive option available. Then tap on the story you just archived. Once you tap on the story you just archived, tap on the highlights option available there. Then you can simply add anything or name for your highlights. So here, once you have added, simply tap on the done and go to your profile, and you can see that you have posted your story or your highlights. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.